Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to play co-op in 2x KO. So guys, it is a very simple tool. So guys, it is very easy. First things first is of course open up the game, and once you are here, you will have an option at the top left corner, play. So go ahead and select play guys, and from here, in order for you to play with your friends, you could just simply go for the private over here. And here on the private, you could just simply select the plus icon over here, which from here guys, you could select open social panel and should be able to invite your friends over here. And since I don't have any friends yet, this one is not yet showing, but if you do, you should be able to invite them over here. But guys, if you like to play a rank with your friends, of course, you could also go do that, and you will have an option plus icon over here. And when you have your friend available over here, you should be able to invite them right away. And pretty much to add your friend, you could just simply select the top right corner of the screen and select this one over here and select add a friend, and just simply provide their name or their code. And pretty much that's it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.